Good morning. Today's September 18th, 2020, and today's refinishing project is located in Albany, California, right next to Richmond, Berkeley here. Alright, so today we're going to be refinishing this Kohler bathtub here in Albany. The bottom is completely, I don't know what's wrong with it. I mean, there's a lot of, it's pretty worn. There's a lot of black marks all over the bottom here, around this area. The sides and everything look decent, but the bottom is completely, it's really bad. So, alright, so it'll take probably around 4 hours, 4.5 hours to fully refinish this bathtub here. And we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching.